This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Figma versus Visily. Figma is a robust, collaborative interface design tool, widely adopted by professionals for its comprehensive features. Visily, on the other hand, is an innovative AI-powered design tool, prioritizing speed and ease of use, especially for non-designers. We will delve into their core functionalities, examine their collaboration capabilities, and break down their pricing structures to help you decide which tool best suits your design needs. When it comes to core design features, Figma offers extensive vector editing, advanced prototyping, and robust design system management, providing granular control for pixel-perfect creations. Visily truly shines with its AI-driven capabilities, allowing you to generate designs from text, sketches, or even screenshots. It boasts a library of over 1,500 templates, making rapid wireframing and mock-ups incredibly efficient, especially for those without extensive design backgrounds. Figma gives full control, while Visily automates for speed. Collaboration is a cornerstone for both, but they approach it differently. Figma is renowned for real-time, multi-user collaboration, complete with cursor chat, commenting, and detailed version history, making it perfect for large, distributed teams. Visily also supports real-time co-designing, team workspaces, and feedback, offering a simpler, more streamlined model. Figma boasts a vast plugin ecosystem and integrates with numerous developer tools, while Visily's integrations are expanding, including a useful Figma plugin, focusing on accelerating the initial design phase. Regarding pricing, Figma offers a free starter plan, with professional plans typically starting around $15 per editor per month. Visily also provides a free tier, and its Pro plan is approximately $11 per editor per month when billed annually. Figma is ideal for complex UI/UX design, intricate design systems, and large, professional teams requiring deep customization. Visily is best for quick mock-ups, non-designers, and rapidly generating initial concepts, with users reporting up to 90% time savings in wireframing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.